If you encounter the error like this image shows, here I will tell you the main fixes to solve it. Please recover your data before the fixes. iBoysoft Data Recovery for Mac is a good one. Open it, choose your drive, and click Search for lost data. After scanning, preview the files, and choose your wanted ones, then click Recover at the bottom. Open Finder, right-click your drive, and choose Get Info. Scroll down to Sharing and Permissions, and click the lock icon. Open Disk Utility, choose your drive and click First Aid at the top. Open Disk Utility, choose your drive and click Erase at the top. Set the conditions and click Erase. Enter into Mac Safe Mode and try accessing. According to your Mac models, enter into Maco's recovery mode. Click Utilities and Terminal. Type the command like this.